Hey guys, DJ Carroll here with EasyPro, and today I'm on site at Cypress Pointe Apartments, our latest project. Here at Cypress Pointe, we focus on cleaning all of the breezeways, the concrete, getting up all the trash, the mess, the gum, just the nasty stickiness that happens to occur inside of breezeways when they aren't cleaned over a longer period of time. We also cleaned over, get this, 1.5 miles of sidewalk. You heard me right, 1.5 miles of sidewalk right here inside of the community. These sidewalks were dirty, as you can see in the video here. The guys made quick work of it and they turned out fantastic. Cypress Pointe has 41 buildings and 61 breezeways, which we made quick work of. We also took care of the tennis court, the concrete around the clubhouse, and the entire exterior of the leasing office, including both interior and exterior of the window cleaning. We utilized 4 of our power washing rigs and 6 technicians over 4 days to completely restore the curb appeal of this property. If you have an apartment community, condo complex, or HOA that needs exterior cleaning, consider making life easy and calling a pro. For more information, visit our website at myeasypro.com or give us a call at 502-732-6363.